And welcome back. We continue with the news that two prominent hospitals will be among the beneficiaries when the 2026 staging of the Guardian Group Shine 5K Night Run Walk takes place in Kingston on May 23 and in Montego Bay on May 30. The event was launched recently, where President of Guardian Limited, Megan Miller-Brown, explained that in addition to Project STAR, which specializes in social transformation as well as youth and community development, two major hospitals will also benefit from the proceeds from this year's staging.
This year's beneficiaries are the Kingston Public Hospital, the largest trauma hospital in the English-speaking Caribbean. Not only that, it's a wonderful training ground for our medical doctors. So we're going to be assisting the Kingston Public Hospital with much needed equipment, and we are also going to be going out west and assisting the Falmouth General Hospital, the only hospital that side of the island that was severely damaged by Hurricane Melissa.
In addition to Project STAR, the Bustamante Hospital for Children and the Noel Holmes Hospital were the other beneficiaries in 2025. Meanwhile, Race Director Alfred Francis explained the format and setup for this year's staging.
On the 23rd, we'll be having the Kingston leg, which will start at 8 p.m. The staging area is Emancipation Park. Registration is now open at runningeventsja.com, and the cost is $3,000 for individuals and $2,500 for groups of 20 or more. Then we will be going to Montego Bay. Our staging area will be the Harmony Beach Park. The race will commence at 7, and the same price structure, same entry platform, but the pickup will be at the Fairview, Guardian Fairview.
A total of $25 million were raised from last year's staging of the Guardian Group Shine 5K Night Run Walk.